Welcome to the Lyfe channel. It is 12:30 midnight and I am up doing my wife's toast. Why is because we're leaving to Vegas tomorrow for the beauty convention, and we've been so busy, with live kids and all that. So this is the only time that I brought some product home, polish, gel, top coat and all that. So we're gonna go ahead and just start filing the nails right now. Just gonna butt this real quick. Boy, you look like you need your cuticles cut too. You do. You have a lot of cuticle, but as a nail tech, I always got tools. Randomly just hanging around. Yeah, I am not letting you go with some cuticle hanging around the side.
People really gonna see that?
No, it's not that people are gonna see it, but your feet is clean or not. It's just about self-perspective. Cuticle just like laying on top of your nail, and even if you polish it, it will be bumpy. Must be nice to have a nail tech at home, huh? Can you imagine how many women wish their man can just like sit down this late and clean their toes for free?
It's not free.
It is free. Didn't ask you for anything.
Tell you that somehow.
Well, most clients buy me coffee.
The toes are really spread out. We don't even need a toe separator.
What happened is, yeah, you see how you have some like dead skin on top of the nail? The file's gonna get it off. Because back in the day, before the drill came out, the only thing you use is the file. So this is how I'm gonna get all your dead skin out. Next. What we're gonna be using today is Honey Nail glossy top coat, and the polish we're gonna use is also by Honey Nail, and the base coat is by The Studio. And the light that we're gonna dry with, the one I have at home right now, is by Lyfe. Put that in there. And a lot of people like animate,
Mm. That's a cute color. It's like a pink coral.
It's almost like a see-through. But this is the second coat right here. I'm thinking about maybe going one more coat. I mean, I think this is made like for like to do like French, you know, different shades of nude. We gotta go in one more coat just to bring some more color to it. It's a little bit kind of like see-through. So
I think that will look really cute for
yeah, this will look cute for a friend. But one more coat because we're going to Vegas. We need to make it look pop. Let's do it. All right, this is the third coat.
It's cute.
I like it. This is the third coat right here. This is the second coat. So you see, second coat is kind of like you see through the nail. Third coat, you see more of the color. I like the third coat. Let's do third coat.
Wait, did I cure yet?
I got my finger stuck.
Did I
No,
cure
you
yet?
did not.
Oh, shoot.
So the reason why we are up this late doing her toes is because I work today and she has to go get ready and we couldn't make it to the salon in time. So I brought some stuff home and we're gonna paint her toes because I would not gonna let her go to Las Vegas to a beauty convention with some crusty toes and plain simple, you know what I mean? At least have some kind of color to it. Just gotta set the standard. Let's gloss it up, guys, and I'll show you guys the final result. Let me know how you guys feel about my short videos, all the skits I make, and let me know what you guys think about my daily life vlogs, about cooking and all that. Let me know what you guys think about it. So if I need to improve on something, let me know in the comment. This is so nice. Well, let me know what you guys think about the third coat. The third coat looks a lot nicer, right? I'm putting the top coat on right now. Let's go ahead. Turn it back on. Get back in there. All right, this is quality control, making sure it's nice and dry. Still kind of wet a little bit. Yeah, we didn't cure it long enough. So let me go ahead and put another top coat because I got my fingerprints on it. Let's go ahead and... You want me to scratch your toes with that too? How come it's not curing? Maybe you should go in deeper.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
Arch. I have an arch.
I know. But you just gotta take one for the team.
But I don't feel heat or anything.
Well, the light is on, honey. So it's fine.
I don't know.
Okay, let's switch. Put that one in. Alright. We got some technical difficulty with the lamp. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a backup plan. Let's see what the backup plan is. Hold on. Now, so I have a new solution. Shout out to Madame Glam for sending me this like years ago. I'm about to make use of it. Put your feet right here real quick. Nope. Let's go ahead and hold on. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna do. All right, guys. So as you can see, we had some technical difficulty. So we end up using the Madame Glam lamp to cure her toes, and hopefully it works. So we're gonna test it out right now. Okay? Can you guys see me from here? All right. How long is this? Maybe 30 seconds. I'm gonna figure it out. Alright, hold on, let me test. Oh yeah, it works. Maybe one more time.
Your baby lamp.
The baby lamp works, guys. There you have it. Not bad, huh, guys? Look at that. Dang. Let me get... Okay, toes are waving at you now. That's kind of scary, to be honest with you. But doesn't look. This is not bad. If she wear any dress, any type of slippers, shoes, at least they're presentable. Better than what she had before. Guys, so that's pretty much it. I finished her toes. Towards the end, during the drawing part, it was a little hassle. Okay, please don't ever do that again. That was a little bit gross. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. See you guys. Peace.